Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Well, Janet and I are in beautiful England right now. It's 70 degrees. It's like that every day. It's a perfect way to end August for us, to get out of the Texas heat. It's been 3 years since we've been here. Came over to see our wonderful friends over here. But yeah, we haven't been here in 3 years. It's insane. But anyway, everything's gotten back to pretty much back to normal over here in England. But I did want to jump on here and just speculate real quick about what Leisure Travel Vans put out, in the sense of they said they are coming out with a brand new floor plan coming up. Saw it on Instagram, and it was a picture of a Unity and a Wonder split down the middle. So I'm assuming this brand new floor plan is for both platforms. So I wanted to speculate about what I think it is, and then put in the comments down below what you think it's going to be. Now then, they discontinued the Serenity a bit back. I think in 2020 was the last year that you could get a Serenity, and only for a very short amount of time. We have an FX, so we have that back living room like a Serenity has, but is a full-time couch, whereas a Serenity had it to where it was a fold-down bed, couch that turns into a fold-down bed. So I think, personally, they're going to bring some of the elements of the Serenity back. I think the Serenity is gone forever, as they were going to have to retool all kinds of things to make that special body that they made for the Serenity. Came out with the RL a couple of years ago, which I think is an awesome floor plan, best of both worlds. Still has a Murphy bed that you have to put down, and so it's not a fixed bed. But I do think it's probably going to resemble a little bit of the Serenity, bring in some of those items that the Serenity had, which is that fold down bed, making just a full-time living space during the day, fold that down into a bed at night. Will it have a slide? Will it not have a slide? I've become a fan of no slides. Our FX has a slide, but with our Airstream, we have no slide, and boy, it's one less thing to worry about, right? Not that we've ever had a problem with our slide. I've ran into some folks with a leisure travel van that had a terrible issue with the slide. So can it be a problem? Sure. So if you can get a great floor plan with lots of room that doesn't have a slide, I think that's a nice win. But that's my thoughts. It's going to have elements of a Serenity, a back living room that folds into a bed. We'll have a dinette up front, like a whether it be the U-shaped dinette or just the front-facing dinette. I'm not sure what that's going to be, but that's my thoughts, because I don't know what else they could do. Twin beds. They've got the Wonder front bed. They've got the FX. They've got the MB. They've got basically everything you can do in a leisure travel van, unless they make it more like a View, where I think have a permanent couch, and then right next to that is a Murphy bed, maybe. But I don't think they would copy Winnebago. I don't think, anyway. So my thoughts, it's going to be basically a watered down Serenity, fold out bed in the back that turns into a living room during the day. Put your thoughts below what you think it's going to be, and then when it comes out, we'll kind of jump on and we'll do a full review of it. So will it come out in 24? Will it be 25? Who knows? But it does look like it's going to be on both the Wonder platform as well as the Unity. So, and then remember, the Unity will be a 4-cylinder coming up, 4-cylinder diesel. Will it have all-wheel drive? Will it be a 4x4? Will it not offer any of those options for the leisure travel van? Don't know. So more mysteries to come. But with that being said, we're staying here we're in Wicken, just outside of Cambridge, and we're in an awesome B&B. I'll probably film a tour of this B&B, Airbnb, because it is pretty nice. Really, really loving it. So, if you're interested in that, I may throw that up on the channel either next Sunday or, because we're here for another week. But anyway, I'll try to throw in some video of what we're doing over here in England, trying to film, but also trying not to, just to really enjoy our time with our friends. But anyway, so with that said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and then we will see you back in America, where when we get back, we're headed to Colorado in the Airstream. So I'll be doing a lot more Airstream videos about how we like it, about how to set it all up and what that experience is like. And then in November, we are headed back down to Florida, the Florida Keys, and the leisure travel van. So lots of nice RV trips coming up to end the year. But I'm just going to enjoy this weather while I can. 70 degrees right now. This is my kind of living right here. Anyway, we will see you next time.